Hi everyone. I wanted to make a quick video about making a touch switch. So what I'm using here is an LED, a transistor. This is an NPN 2222. I'll have it linked on the video, and some jumper cables. I'll show you how to wire this together. By the way, I'm using this as my power supply. That way I do not need to use a resistor between the power supply and the LED. If you're using the battery as your power supply, make sure you have a resistor between the positive and your LED, otherwise your LED is going to blow up. So keep that in mind. Now let's wire this together and see how it looks like. So this is my transistor here. And notice this is the negative side of the LED. That's the positive side. So the negative side is going to be on this here. This is just the positive voltage. I'm gonna turn on my power supply. Negative goes here. Let's see if this works. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm just gonna use these other jumper cables so I can touch. Now notice if I touch the end of these cables, the LED lights up. All I'm doing is touching these cables. Let's put the light off so you can see better. See if I touch the cables, because the connection is higher than my just hands, then I get a greater current to pass through. And look at the LED. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.